The 2013 FRS. With a front-mounted flat boxer engine and a 6-speed transmission, the rear-wheel drive Scion FRS has motorsport running in its veins and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, cruise control, aluminum wheels, premium sound system, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, MP3 player, bucket seats, power windows, passenger airbag. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.